Welcome to Learning to Surf. Today I'm going to be analyzing 6 waves, starting with my worst and going to my best. The goal of this session was to only go for the best waves and to angle my pop-up. So my analysis is going to be focusing on that. So without further ado, let's check out the first clip. So you can see this wave was closeout and tiny. I shouldn't have gone for it, so should avoid going for these waves. One nice thing that I do notice is that my head is looking up and I'm looking to that lip on the wave. So let's go on to the next wave. Okay, so this wave, I just don't angle my takeoff enough. I am happy with a couple things, but I need to be looking as I'm paddling at the wave. I didn't look once here. And then on my pop-up, my head is up, but I'm not looking over to this lip. I want to be looking over there to really get my angle going. And now here, I'm happy with this. This leading arm is behind me on my backside. So that's one thing I always need to work on. So it's good to see it there. Let's check out the next wave. Okay, so here I just go the wrong direction. I should be going right, but I go left. So I glanced over my shoulder there, and then I did it again. So I should have looked and I'd see white water here, go that way. Also look at that, I'm looking right, straight down, and this arm is off to the side. So I can do better than that. Let's see the next one. Alright, so here again, I look here and I choose my direction, but then I just keep going straight, and I don't think I angled my takeoff at all. In fact, look, I'm looking straight ahead, pretty much balanced, no angle here. So these waves, you got to angle your takeoff. You got to go at this angle, you got to look at the lip and go. Otherwise, you just get stuck in the white water and you're wondering what happened. Okay, so the next wave. Alright, so I didn't get my paddle up, so I don't know if I was really looking around, but I am going the right direction. I'm right at a good spot. My head is up. I want to be looking to the wave more. Not too bad. The forward arm could be behind me more, but I've definitely done worse. I'm able to get a little bit of speed and stay pretty much a good spot on that wave. Alright, let's go to the last wave. I'm looking. Look over my shoulder a couple times. There I go. I'd like to see myself looking a bit more while I'm paddling. Definitely during the pop-up looking more. But a pretty decent ride. So I'm looking. Look. Decided which way I'm going to go. And I make a good decision. You can see it's tapering off this way. This side's going to close out. I want to go to the right. Alright. I wish I was looking at this lip here. I think it would have been better if I had a better angle takeoff if I was looking here to that lip. But at least I'm not looking down at my board. That hand is pretty good behind me. I'm able to get a little pump there. So I'm happy with this session. Well, that's a wrap. Remember to subscribe, have fun, and keep it real.